Making a simple electric circuit is the best way to start learning about electricity. I did that as a school project when I was in 5th grade. It was a mandatory project, every student had to make one. It's called simple electric circuit not because it's easy, but because it is the simplest form of electric circuit without complexities and components that affect each other's performance. A simple electric circuit consists of 3 components connected to each other in a loop. These components are classified as supply, load, and switch. Supply is the source of electricity, such as a battery, solar panel, or an electric generator. Load is anything that consumes electricity, such as a light bulb, a motor, or a buzzer. Switch is any device or mechanism that can connect or disconnect an electrical connection by moving a lever or pushing a button. Students make simple electric circuits as a science project or engineering activity. In this demonstration, I will make a simple electric circuit by installing a light bulb as a load, a battery as a supply of electricity, and a switch on a wooden board as the base. These are the materials that come as a kit by miniscience.com. However, you may purchase them individually. Battery holders are needed for installing batteries. Lamp holders are needed for installing light bulbs. Okay, let's begin by stripping the insulation from the end of the wires. Using a pair of scissors, remove about 1 inch of the insulation from the end of each wire. Be careful as to not cut all the way through the wire. Next, let's install the batteries into the battery pack. Now it's time to attach your wires to the battery pack. The wires will be conducting your electric current from the batteries to the light bulb. The battery packs come equipped with spring clips, allowing for easy attachment of the wires. From here, we're going to fasten the other end of the wire to the metal screw of the bulb holder. Take the exposed metal end of each wire and bend it into a U shape. Loosen each screw on the light bulb holder just enough to slide the U shape of the wire around the screw. Tighten the screw, ensuring that the metal of the wires remain in contact with the screw. It's time now to install the switch. Take the exposed metal end of one of the wires from the battery pack and bend it into a U shape. Loosen the screw on the switch and slip the U shape of the wire underneath. Tighten the screw, making sure that the metal of the wires remain in contact with the screw. Alright, let's now attach the third wire from the switch to the light bulb using the same U-shaped method at the ends of the wire. With the screws and wires now tightened, it's time to secure the components on the wooden board. Alright, now it's time to test your circuit. Flip the switch. If your circuit is hooked up properly, the bulb should light up when fully screwed into its socket. Light bulbs can heat up quickly, so be careful when installing and removing the bulb. If the bulb doesn't light up, check to make sure the wires are touching the ends of the battery and in contact with the metal of the screws. Now, if you followed all instructions down to a T, you should have yourself a fully functioning, simple electric circuit. If you are planning to produce your own science kits for sale, or for a large group of students, all these materials are also available in wholesale quantities and wholesale prices. You can also choose among many different choices of lamp holders, battery holders, and switches. As a load, you may use light bulbs mounted on lamp holders or motors mounted on motor clamps. When designing your own simple electric circuit kit, please make sure that the rated voltage of your light bulbs is close to the voltage of your power source or battery holder. Each battery produces about 1.5 volts. Usually, battery holders add the voltage of all batteries. So if your battery holder holds 4 batteries, then the total voltage will be about 6 volts. 9-volt batteries are actually 6 smaller batteries stacked on each other and covered by a metal box. They don't tend to last long, given that the 6 batteries inside them are fairly small. Larger batteries do not produce higher voltage. Instead, they just have a longer lifespan.